Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farmboy's Garage. We're working on a 2006 Ford Taurus, and I'm going to show you where the cabin air filter is located. So, raising the hood, we got this section of dash up here, or cowl rather. I've already got it loose, but basically it's just a few little clips around the edge. Clip on, one here, one over here in the middle, and then you're going to lift up and pop up on it to get it loose, and we'll see what kind of clips it's got. You can see on the back side, maybe you can see, we got these style clips. There's 4 of them across the back of it. And right back here, there's a filter. Right here. I ain't seeing no way to remove that part there. I don't think you got to though. Just pull it out. And you can see that one was pretty rough. That's probably the original Ford. Let's see. Made in China. I don't know if it was original or not, but yeah, I'd say it was definitely in need of changing. Pretty much can't see through it. So there it is. It's just back there, and it's kind of odd shape, so the long end's going to go towards the fender there. Show you all the part number on this. None of the local auto parts stores had this particular filter in stock, so I got on Amazon, ordered up a Fram Fresh Breeze. There's the part number for it right there. You can see that this one's got a carbon coating on it to help relieve it, but the black side's going to go down. It's going to go in like that right there. Alright, so to install it, stick that long corner in. Now that does pull up a little bit. This thing got a lot. There's a screen in here just to keep the big stuff out. You can pull that up a little bit. It does flip. Be careful going in. There's a foam seal that you want to make sure it's all the way in there and push down up against that seal. And that's all there is to install it. We'll put our cowl panel back on, and she'll be good to go. So hope this helps y'all out. Appreciate you watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe if you can.